team visits family members of Sumi Hangpi. KSA Hauraghat unit demands justice for Sumila, terms it as murder after rape. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. Putting more pressure for swift justice and punishment of the alleged murder of 12-year-old Karbi minor girl by house owner, the Karbi Students Association Hauraghat Regional Committee has termed the incident as cold-blooded murder committed after rape. This was stated in a press conference convened by the students' body in Dokmoka Forest IB on Saturday.
While demanding swift justice to the victim's family, the KSA Hauraghat unit said that strongest punishment should be awarded to perpetrators of the incident that has shaken the entire hill districts of Assam. The KSA Hauraghat unit, led by its president Robin Killing and AGS Bison Bay, and members say that people who could commit such an inhuman crime are no less than quote wild animals and therefore deserve strongest sentence. The students' body, while vehemently condemned the horrific crime, say that the inhuman incident of dosing kerosene and setting minor tribal girl on fire is a case of crime against the indigenous ST people of the state. The students' body concluded their press conference declaring they cannot remain silent on such inhuman crimes committed against its people and therefore they would continue to fight against perpetrators in the future until they get justice.
Je injure Sumila Hangpi apan je labangso Sumila Hangpi injure ningkan krihini arta also pan ilitum bang akhai tum inglong aso arat aso pan kilang rem kilang plot ajoini karasin dungsi ne kaidut lapoan ang kilang rem lapoan itu pan ang kilang plot labang so alam nilitum kesing long po ahin ben stame itum ning dupig lo la pen itum aning sentiment lo la selason jongsi itum aprang ilang stame klembom lang puldang te ilitum labang ke itum ju songweng nang yi la pen non Sumila injur kalitang Sumila Hangpi apan apran kan mudet abang fu tum apan law and order atum ada police atum net ingnang pen alang itum apan hasi piwek nangi pusi nilitum kese inglong po Hauraghat Regional Committee ahin pen nilitum sodak pen kado gawe law and order tum hanstame nilitum pachini pon
au supi phan mege kai du labang ke nilitum kabilo chalia songpen ningduklo lapen munit kereng agak mege kai du la sop thake alang phan munit pu hokon nilo lake jon tu jonawar asom sila nilitum Karbilo chalia songkan ke hokon angkok lo lasi nilitum la karbilo chalia songpen kiningye kangtung la pen sodak pen kiningye kangtung bangke alang litum la litum anjir kalitang Sumila Hangpi apan mege kaidut mate kereng akpen mege kaidut aputak alang litum phan arona teng pen insai vek nangji.
Something in this report from Dokmoka for Karbi Anglong Live.
With the number of COVID cases gradually rising in the district, the Dimahasao District Administration, led by Deputy Commissioner Paul Barua, visited Haflong Weekly Market on Saturday as a part of the sensitization program in a bid to increase adherence to the COVID protocol in Haflong Market. The market area, especially being the infected-prone area, was emphasized on the need for wearing masks, using of hand sanitizers, and maintaining physical distance. The DC, along with ADCs, DSP, Assistant Commissioners, DIPRO and DPO, DDMA, and other officials also distributed face masks to the vegetable and fruit vendors in the market and urged them to be cautious in the wake of the second wave of the pandemic. Emphasizing on how the second wave could spread faster than the first, DC Barua highlighted guidelines of SOP issued by the government. He also interacted with the traders and vendors and instructed them to strictly follow precautionary measures such as maintaining of distance among the customers by noticeable marking to be drawn on the shop's ground, use of sanitizer and masks. He also asked them to stick no marks, no entry notices in front of every shop.
हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का तरफ से एक गुडविल मार्च कर रहे हैं। हम लोग एक गुडविल मार्च और लोगों को अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं कि आप लोग मास्क जरूर पीजिए। इंडिया में 3 लाख के ऊपर क्रॉस कर गया, सबसे हाईएस्ट फिगर। तो इसी कारण से हम लोग सबको अवेयरनेस कर रहा है। आज हम लोग ऐसे किसी को फाइन नहीं किया और करना, हम लोग चाहते हैं कि सब अपना डिसिप्लिन में काम करें। पर आगे हम लोग जब देखेंगे सिचुएशन और ख़राब होगा तो फाइनिंग जरूर करेंगे इसमें। तो हम लोग ये अवेयरनेस के लिए गुडविल मार्च किया, वॉक किया, सबको समझाया कि मास्क पहनना। बहुत लोगों को मास्क नहीं पहन रहा था, पर मार्केट का सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि मुझे लगता है कि इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ है कि इसमें स्पेस नहीं है ज़्यादा। तो लोगों को खुद डिसिप्लिन करना चाहिए, स्टैगर करना चाहिए मार्केटिंग में। वो सब हम लोग प्लान करेंगे जब कैसे कर सकता है, उसका थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा हमको क्या करना है। अभी मार्केट में सब आ गया, भीड़ भाड़ होता है, नो डाउट, स्पेस का कारण हो रहा है। पर हम लोग सबको मास्क नहीं, दोनों साइड पहनेगा तो सेफ रहेगा, सैनिटाइजर यूज़ करने से सेफ रहेगा। तो यही एक एक्सरसाइज आज मैंने किया, जो गुडविल के लिए किया, लोगों को सब समझाने के लिए आज।
According to official data, since 1st March till 23rd April 2021, 45 numbers of people are found to be COVID positive in Dima Hasao, of which 38 have been migrated out. Although the recovery rate of the infected persons is found to be 15.79%, 31 persons are still in home isolation, while 1 person is admitted in Haflong Civil Hospital and the rest have recovered. Meanwhile, the medical team have set up their counter in market for free rapid antigen tests on Saturday, where people can get themselves tested. The district administration has also made it mandatory for any person from outside the district entering Dima Hasao to undergo the red test as a measure for prevention from COVID-19. Suraj Barman's report from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. In a tragic incident, one house was completely destroyed by the fire caused by short circuit in Poisa Ingti village under the Dokmoka police station on Friday night. Our correspondent has sent us this report.
The fire accident occurred at around 10:15 p.m. at a house belonging to Densing Togbi of Poisa Ingti village under the Langhin MSC constituency on Friday night. While interacting with local media, Densing Togbi stated that the said fire accident took place just 2 days after he completed construction of his new house that was built with money borrowed from someone. Expressing his grief over the complete destruction of house, the owner of the house informed that everything they own are completely destroyed by the fire, which include kitchen utensils, school books of their children, clothes and other garments, rice, other food items, cash money of rupees 2,000 among others.
Men bachini men
Arang men ke ada supporting ke arang
lapen hem ke
MB abang ke tok bi hai. Men abang ke Densing tok bi. Ya so ni bicara men abang ke sekarang.
Doi bangsu ko ana por pensi ke phulo la so.
Tuwe ke phuge la pulsa tuwe mekta yang dap chela hai ya. Garenta mission में फिल्म लांग हो बोलो मारी थिगे पे फिल्म लांग हम साम लो मा फिल्म लांग बम याद बम ला है दोस्ता 15 ने पर लम ला है फिल्म लांग बम ला मा कांगबो के अर्जुन ला ला कांगबो मारे के 3 ती दे ला है ब्लॉक पुगा अर्जुन ला मा चोलो लो हो चनंग हु दो बांग मा पिलो लो हो ये लो दा नि चनंग हु बांग बे उपात उगे चलो मा घोर 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 बुहुं बम ला मा को छो चनंग ने पार बांग वे दे लो हो मा थुर लो अंग दाग बांग bahari में कांग थुर बुर याले है अमांगे ओय जो हम सब थुलो हम ई चुलो हो उंगे थुलो हम सब रंग लगे नंगरा बन थे थी तंग ले बो हांगरा मेलो ओय सबसे बक नंगरा ते फुलो
सरकार hin ben he
सरकार पे ले देता
सबसे बक नंगरा दी तो मसंते
Following this, the head of the affected family has urged upon well wishes for their prayer and immediate assistance, including food items and essential items. The head of the family has also urged upon the government for their assistance to help them rebuild their home at the earliest and start their recovery process. Sarpang Ticketer's report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live.
Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.